for closure. Don't take it close off. No matter how hard we try, we can't say it's over. We going in circles. Keep going in circles. You know we just gon' do this over.
What's up, Princess? Back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the game. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And today I will be showing you guys how I do my wig. I'll be installing my wig for you guys. All that fun stuff. I have more videos coming soon and stuff like that. Sorry I've been lacking on the videos. I haven't been feeling well. The weather has been changing. It's fire stuff going on in California. I don't know, like it's been a lot of stuff going on. But don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna have some more videos for you guys. I got a lot of ideas. See, my ears is popping and everything. I'm kind of bald headed right now on my bald head. Oh shit. Feel me? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be running some errands and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm not sure. The hell? Is that a spider?
Oh, stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
Oh hell, that's a big ass spider. That's a big ass spider. Shit.
Oh shit! A spy!
Hold on. Oh my god. Cousin, I seen two big ass spiders in the window. No. Yes. Ah, shit. That's a, hold on. 1 second, guys. That's a big ass spider. Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
Where did it go? I don't know where the spider went. Hold on, guys. I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright, guys. I'm back. Unfortunately, I tried to kill the spider, but as I was trying to kill the spider, it flew somewhere. I don't know. But back to the video. Right now I'm gonna be plucking my lace or whatever. Like I said, I'm going to be doing installing wig, install lace front, install video or whatever. Yeah. So let's get into it. I know. Hold on. Anyways, I got a notification. But anyways, I don't have tweezers, regular tweezers. These is eyelash tweezers. So what? They tweezers. They still work. I tested out before I was trying to even make this video. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the voiceover and speeding up the video for this process. So.
Alright, guys. What am I doing here is I'm plucking my wig to make it look natural. So basically, I don't want my wig to look thick. I want it to look just right. I don't want my wig, if I over pluck, then it's gonna look too thin. If I under pluck, it's gonna look thick. So Yeah, I'm just parting the hair and plucking as I go or whatever. But after this video, I ended up getting regular tweezers instead of using eyelash tweezers. So yeah. So basically, I'm just making my wig look natural. And I'm combing the shedded hair.
Alright, I'm back, Princess Gang. I'm sorry about the delay on my video. Like, I was supposed to be done with this video, but it was a lot going on today. And I'm not bald, y'all. I got hair, okay? My hair is in braids or whatever, in little ponytails or whatever, but yeah. I'm not bald. I got hair, trust me. My hair is just short. Okay? And like taking out my hair and taking off my wig is like a big step for me, because I've always been like self-conscious about my hair, because I've never like really had long hair. I've had long hair, it's just I keep cutting it. My hair would like be like to my shoulders right here, or it'll be like to, like, I don't know, like a bob. It'll be like in bob cuts or whatever. But yeah, I'm growing my hair back out, so I can't wait to do this little hair journey with my hair and see how long it grows out. But yeah, that's the fun part about growing hair. It always grows back. So yeah, I've always been like self-conscious about my hair. Yeah, but yeah, it's currently like 8 or 9 o'clock, 8, 9, not sure, but yeah, it's about around that time. The car had broken down, a whole lot of other stuff just happened today. It's just all bad, but yeah. Let's finally get started into this video. Yeah, the spider thing, I'm dramatic. I don't like bugs. I don't like none of that stuff. Yeah, what I'm gonna be doing is finishing plucking, and I'm gonna be finishing doing my wig cap. Okay? So yeah.
So basically what I'm doing right here, guys, is I'm drawing my ball cap. I put Godspeed glue, and I'm just laying my cap down so it'll stay in place and protect my hair.
Okay, excuse the change of scenery. It was not enough lighting downstairs, so yeah. Ugh, my head look weird, but trust me, trust the process. What you looking for?
Comb.
A comb? Okay. He's so goofy. Alright. Let's get back into the video.
Okay, guys, I ended up cutting the ball cap, and right there is the Godspeed glue spray, and like I said, I'm just drying the cap onto my on my forehead. Do not put this stuff on your hair. Like, this stuff will take your hair out, and if you do not remove the ball cap, remove it properly after you're done with your wig, your protective hairstyle. So yeah, you're basically gonna cut the outline of the cap onto your hairline. I don't know, like, yeah. So with the alcohol, I'm basically just like removing the excess glue off my my head. This stuff got in my eye a little bit. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of sprayed too much. So yeah, we're just gonna dry it until it hardens. So basically, you want your cap to look like scalp. You just want it to look as natural as possible. So basically what I'm doing right here, I'm putting concealer. You could use concealer, foundation, whatever skin color, base like makeup to put on your cap. Like I said, you want your cap to look like scalp. Nobody's scalp is white, like, unless you're white. No offense, but yeah. Your scalp is the same color as your skin color. Unless you don't moisturize your scalp, period. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to put this all around. You don't need too much. All around the cap. Yeah. Yeah, we're just going to keep putting that on there and dabbing it. Just blending it. Like I said, you want your cap to look like scalp. If this does not look like scalp, it's not gonna look right. It's just not gonna look right. So yeah, we're going ahead and dab that all around. I'm going to dab it on the top of the cap a little bit, not too much. And then if you put a little too much, you can remove it with alcohol or whatever. I ended up getting alcohol on near my eye. I was really freaking out. I was like, oh no, don't get in my eye. But yeah, my hair is in braids, like individual braids. Yeah, we're gonna just dab that. Yeah, don't mind the back of my head because I go to the barber and I go get my hair cut. I get a little back shave, a little design on the back, on my nape, That's what it's called for females, a nape. But I call it a back shave. I get a little haircut in the back of my head. But yeah, so I haven't had a haircut in a while. So yeah, my haircuts usually cost me $15 or $5. If it's over $15, I'm not paying for it, period. I'm just not. Yeah, I know, guys, this is not my color of concealer, but I had to make do of what I had. This was my cousin's, so yeah, I was like, cousin, let me use your concealer. She was like, oh, go ahead, or whatever. But yeah, I was on a budget. I'm still on a budget because I like to shop. Yeah, I'm just drying the liquid makeup and, you know, still trying to blend it in or whatever. So I'm placing my wig down nice and neat because I don't want to mess it up. So right here, you could take whatever glue, sticky base that goes on your hair, whatever. So basically, I'm using Gorilla Snot. Yes, I've used this before to lay my lace front down. So what, it flakes or whatever, but it's still glue. It don't matter. It's Gorilla Snot. It's like glue basic. So yeah, I'm taking that and I'm putting it on my ball cap. Do not put this on your hair, okay? You're gonna treat the glue just like you would use regular hair glue, because it will take it out. It will take your hair out, period. If you do not apply it right and if you do not take it out right. So you're gonna put that all over the ball cap, all over it, on the edge of it, not all over it, but you know, on the edge of it, of the cap. For this, I'm gonna need a lot because it's not lace front glue. It's just, you know, Gorilla Snot. It's to lay your hair down or whatever. And this product is for people that have fine hair. I do not have fine hair. I have 4C pretty tight curls. I got that hair, if you know what I mean. I got pretty tight curls. So yeah, I do not have, you know, loose curls. So yeah. Okay, for this part, you're gonna be putting the Got2b glue spray over the Gorilla Snot, because the Got2b spray is just as sticky as the Gorilla Snot, but the Got2b is a little bit stronger once it dries. But yeah, you're gonna place the wig however you want it to your liking. I like middle parts. I do not like side parts. It makes me feel like my forehead is 10 times bigger than what it already is, because I got that thigh head, you know what I'm saying? I got a big forehead. I am self-conscious about my forehead. I'm self-conscious about a lot of things, but I think YouTube is going to be like one of the platforms where I come out my comfort zone, because yeah, we're just gonna place it to your liking, and I'm placing it to my liking, because who has hair on their forehead? No, you just don't have hair on your forehead. But I don't know, I'm just trying to, you know, place it how I like it. I was trying to use the headband to like place it down to let it dry, but I ended up not using the headband because it was not working. So I just ended up using my fingers, and I think I did it off camera where I used my bandana to dry it, but I did that off camera. I think. I'm not sure. But yeah. Okay. So I'm almost done. But yeah, I finally got it to lay down. So I'm gonna try to put curls in it. Yes, I'm drinking in the bathroom, so what? So what? I was thirsty. Do not judge me. Everybody has done it before. Even though it's not a place where you supposed to drink your drink. So what? Okay, sorry y'all, the lights had turned off. That was so disrespectful. The lights had turned off. Okay, in California, we have timers on the lights, so they just turn off after a while from being on too long. I'm like, I'm making a video here. You, Mr. Light or Mrs. Light, do not turn off on me. That is, no, do not. Disrespectful. Okay, guys, so I'm trying to put curls into my wig, but it was not working, and I ended up burning myself. See, that's some bullshit. Like, I really burnt my finger, y'all. My finger had turned red and everything. So at this point, I'm kind of over it, but I didn't give up. I'm still trying to put curls in. I was like really determined to get the look I wanted, but God said nope, not today. So for this part, I'm just struggling, trying to put curls in it. And I also was trying to do a feather look, but it wasn't working, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap this up. Okay, guys. This is the final result. I could not just, for my dear life, could not put curls in the wig. Like, the wig just didn't want me to put curls in it. I'm sitting up here fighting, trying to put curls in the wig. I ended up burning myself and everything. I'm like, forget it. The curls not gonna last anyway. It's nighttime. Even though I'm like a little vampire, I'm up all night and I sleep during the day, so my schedule's all fucked up. But yeah, this is the final look. Not bad for my not my first wig, but this is my second wig. I ended up cutting my other lace front. That was a no-no. I should have never done that. But yeah, I just put it in a little ponytail, and we just gonna call it a night. After I burnt my finger, that was it. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing this no more. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get my eyebrows done pretty soon. They looking wild. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the whole, like, makeover.
trust me, your girl been looking rough for quite a while. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the gang. I think I'm gonna be changing my my channel name. I don't know, Princess Gang. I'm not sure. Give me some ideas on what I should name my channel. I'm not sure, cause I don't know. Welcome to the P Gang, Princess Gang, P Gang. I don't know, but yeah. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media in the description down below. Yeah, I hope you guys, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with my stalling my lace front. I love you guys. Bye.